This is about toning and strengthening our buttocks. It's a great overall routine for the legs and butt. We really isolate those muscles and you can really feel them working. For me, it's hard to always make time for the gym. I wanted a workout that could basically travel with me. It's safe, effective, and very simple. You don't need anything but a chair, a mat or towel, and some weights. And some water. You might get thirsty. First, we'll start with a great overall warm-up that begins at the top of your body and works its way down. And then we do some exercise, especially for legs and butt. Afterwards, we cool down with some stretches that concentrate on the muscles we've just been working on. I've been doing this workout for a long time now, and I can definitely see a difference. You see, it's not too hard. It's actually a lot of fun. Okay, we're going to start with a warm-up now, and we're going to start from the top all the way down to the bottom. Take a deep breath in and out.
Breathe
Just follow
in
me.
and exhale. And breathe in. Exhale one more time.
And roll your shoulders back.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And both.
1, 2,
Shoulder rolls are great for stretching and loosening the upper back and shoulders.
6, 7.
And forward.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
And
8.
all the way up.
Squeezing. Couple more all the way up.
And reach up. This
One,
stretches the sides.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And your arms in front.
And to the side.
Keep your knees soft. Taking your arm out to the side, isolating the rib cage. And 1,
As you go side to side,
3,
think of someone pulling on strings attached to your rib cage.
6, 7, 8. Press down and up. Slow squats. Lift. 3.
Keep your knees over your toes and don't lean forward. Squeeze your butt
and
together
6.
as you come up.
Stomach in. 7 and 8.
Now 2 counts down and 2 counts
2.
up.
Lift and lift. 2, 3, 4.
And back to singles. You can place your arms at your waist or out in front of you.
3, 4, squeeze up, 5, 6, 7.
Now place your hands on your waist and go up on your toe.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And now your other toe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And back again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And the other heel one more time.
1, 2, 3,
squeeze your inner thighs together as you come up.
And 3,
You can place your arms at your waist or out in front of you.
4, squeeze it up, 5,
Make sure your knees are over your toes as you pulse.
6,
As you pulse down, isolate your glutes.
and 7, and 8.
Turn and bend down and tilt your pelvis back up,
Keep
down.
your knees over
Just
your
your pelvis.
Squeezing the hips under as you press forward, tightening the stomach and isolating the glute. Remember to breathe.
And the other side. Imagine a straight line to your knee, a straight line to your hip, and another one up through your body.
Isolate the glute down and tilt. Down and squeeze. Down and squeeze.
And side to side with knees. Keep your arms out to the side.
And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And stretch to the side. Imagine another straight line, from your finger all the way down to your toe. Now we're going to go into the runner's stretch. Remember to keep your knee over your ankle.
Press your heel back. Lean forward on your front thigh.
And into the calf stretch. Put the support on your bent leg. Don't push on the leg you're trying to straighten. Roll up and to the other side. Make sure to stay flexible.
Press your heel down. Feel the stretch in your calf. Bring your back leg in, straightening the front leg. Support on the bent knee.
And towards the middle. And roll up and straighten your back.
Keep the knees soft and round the back and flatten the back. Pull in. Isolate the stomach muscles. Breathe in as you lift. A couple more. And roll it up.
Take one leg towards your chest. And switch. Head to the side. And down. Other side. And now follow me. And breathe in.
And exhale.
And one more time.
And exhale.
Okay.
For these exercises, you'll need a chair.
Okay, we're going to start with 2 alternating lunges, and then we're going to squat 4 times.
On the lunges, make sure your knee is directly over your ankle. Take a big step forward, standing up straight. On the squat, make sure your back is flat and breathe out.
And out, down, back up,
thing is to remember to have that knee right over your ankle in front. Good, and push back. And then on the squats, pull your stomach in as you go down. And as you come up, stay real tight and squeeze together as you lift. That chair helps as kind of a guide. Lunge, step. Pull it in. 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. Okay, now we're gonna start with a squat plie combination.
You're putting your weight back into your heels. Use your arms to counterbalance your weight.
4, 3, 2.
Put your feet together. 8 to one side, then 8 to the other.
2. Use your buttocks to lift up and squeeze. And use those arms out in front to balance you. Good. And breathe as you come up. 6, 7, 8. Now the other side. Step out, pull in. 2, 3. Make sure your weight is back into your heels. And 5, and 6. Press 7, and 8.
Now 4 each side.
1, and 2. Weight is back. 3. Squeeze the glutes together. 4. And the other side. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Now 2.
1, and 2, and 1, and 2. Now we'll alternate side to side.
This one is great. Really gets your heart rate going, as you can tell.
5, almost there. 6, 7, and 8.
Okay, slow squats now,
Press,
just to get
press,
relaxed.
breathing in and out.
Pull the leg up and stretch. And repeat on the other side. This is a yoga pose.
Shake it out.
Exercises.
Okay, so grab a towel or anything else you have at home and come down on your elbows and knees. Because now we're going to start all the exercises on our mat. All right?
This is an exercise for the glute muscles, the buttocks. It's real important to maintain proper position. Make sure your leg comes up just a little bit higher than hip distance.
This time we keep our toes pointed. Again, we'll do 10 slow.
Next, we'll do some pelvic tilts. To increase the intensity, you may want to add some handheld weights. We'll be doing a series of 10 repetitions with 10 pulsing repetitions. Start lying on your back, feet are comfortably on the floor, and tilt the pelvis up, tightening the glutes.
Squeeze the muscles together as you lift and release them as you come down.
This is an easy place to cheat, so hold the form.
Your feet should be a comfortable distance apart.
2, up 3, 4, up 5, 6, 7, squeeze 8, squeeze 9, 10. They're going to pulse up 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go down, squeeze
Second set.
1,
Slow.
2, 3, 4. Your feet are flat on the floor. 5, 6. Stomach is in. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pulse again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Last set. Down up 1,
2, squeeze 3, 4, tilt the pelvis, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
and pulse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now bring your heels down and your toes up. As you lift your toes, you're adding more intensity.
Same position, squeeze, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should feel this in your hamstrings. 8, squeeze 9, 10.
Now slow. Now pulse.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down, up 1, 2, 3, squeeze 4, squeeze 5, 6, 7, 8, real tight, 9, 10.
Last set and pulse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down, up 1, and 2, and 3. Remember to breathe out as you lift. And 5, up 6, up 7. Squeeze 8. Remember, you don't have to use weights. Up and squeeze and pulse. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now bring your feet and your knees together. Again, you can add weights if you like.
Lift and lower. 2, 3,
Squeeze the butt down. Breathe out.
4,
Couple more. Breathe out.
5,
Good, and even
Six.
tighten that stomach as you come up.
7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10, and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Second set. Slow.
1, 2, press those knees together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And pulse.
1, 2, you should feel this in the hamstrings. 4 in the inner thighs. 5 up 6, 7 and 8 up 9 and 10 and pulse. 1, 2. If you're not using weights, put your hands on the muscles. Feel them working. Up and squeeze, 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 and down. Release your weights and pull your knees into your chest for a stretch.
Okay, that's the end of our workout. We've just finished the workout for perfectly fit buns. You can use this by itself, or you can start to build a more complete program by combining it with perfectly fit legs, which is coming up next. Our first exercises are lunges and squats.
Make sure you have your knee directly over your ankle. Want to maintain proper alignment. And when you push back, make sure you exhale out. Squat is for the legs, quadriceps again, and hamstrings. As you go back, squeeze your butt together. Breathe out as you lift.
Standing lunges.
1,
Keep your arms on your waist the whole time.
2,
Take a big giant step out. Make sure the knee is over the ankle and the back is straight. Then push back to the starting position.
and then when you bring that leg out, 6. The main thing is to remember that ankle needs to be right in line with your knee. Take even a little bit.
These next two exercises are hamstring curls and calf raises.
These exercises are for your hamstrings and calves. You'll need your chair.
Face the chair so you're holding on to the back of it standing up. Hamstring curls for one leg. The leg extends back so it's straight. Not too far, maybe 1 foot back. Your foot is flexed.
2,
Try to bring your heel all the way up and squeeze your hamstrings.
5. Isolating your hamstring. 7. 8. Remember, the weights are optional, but they add
10.
intensity.
And then the other.
Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now calf raises with the toes out, pulsing. Lift on the toes,
1,
come down on the heels.
2, 3, 4, 5. Come all the way up onto your big toe. 6, 7,
During
8.
calf raises, don't arch your back.
9,
Stand tall and don't
10.
slouch.
5 more, all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And hamstring curls.
1, 2,
Try to bring your heel all the way up
3.
and squeeze your hamstrings.
4. Lengthening the
5.
leg as you extend out and squeezing your flexed foot up
7.
towards your buttocks.
8.
Squeeze and extend. 9, 10.
And the other leg.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And calf raises. This time turn your toes in.
1, 2, all the way up. 3, up 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more, up onto the big toes. 2, 3, up 4, and 5.
And hamstring curls. Last set.
1, and bring it in. 2, and out. 3, 4, keep your stomach pulled in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Extend your leg back and flex your foot, pulling in.
Other leg.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should feel it. 8, 9, and 10.
And calf raises.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now pulse up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly again, up 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The calves should be burning. 7 and 8. 2 more, all the way up. Push. 9 and 10.
And we finish with stretches for the muscles we've just worked.
Push one heel back, keeping your foot on the floor. Slightly bend the knee, feeling the stretch all the way through your calf. And switch legs.
Stretch back. Keep your heel down.
And slightly bend the knee and back, feeling the stretch in the calf. Place one foot in front. Rest your hands on your knee for balance, but don't put all your weight on your knee. The next series of exercises are done on the floor. You'll need a mat or a towel.
This exercise is for the outer thigh. The muscle that we're working is the hip abductor. It's the muscle that helps us lift the leg away from the body. When you do this exercise, make sure your hips stay stacked right on top of each other. You can do that by leaning forward on your hand for balance. And as you come down, squeeze the hips and butt together. That way you can isolate the muscle. And exhale as you come down.
Make sure you don't roll back onto your hip as you lift up. And lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And now pulsing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And slow again.
1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And pulsing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Last set.
1
Slow.
and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And pulsing one last time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming down.
Now we take our leg and pull it in towards the chest.
1,
Then lengthen it so it goes straight
2,
down.
and 3, 4. Really lengthen that leg as you extend it out. 6, keeping your foot flexed. 7, bring the knee in towards the chest. 9, 10.
And then lift our legs straight up.
2, 3, keeping the hips aligned. 5, foot is flexed. 7, 8, 9.
Second set. Knee in, straight down.
1, 2, pull 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more.
And leg
10.
lift straight up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and third set pulling in 1 and extend.
Last set.
2, keep your hips stacked. 3, keep your foot flexed. And 4, isolate the outer thigh. 5, and the glutes. 6, squeezing the leg each time you extend. 8, 9, and hold it out and lift.
And
1,
leg lifts once
2,
again.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
This is a combination of the last 2 exercises, lifting your leg up and extending the leg out. It's very important to extend your leg using your heel and bringing it back down. The angle is very important as you extend your leg. Make sure it's not coming out directly from your hips or straight out. It's in between. Try and find a point to use that as a guideline.
And combining both exercises, lifting the leg and extending out towards the side, not directly in front, 2, but more on an angle towards your foot, 3, and up, extend, 4, and bring it back down, up, out, and 5, in, and down, lift, extend, 6, and lift, extend, 7, and lift. As you extend, squeeze 8, the glutes, and 9, 10.
And now exercises for the inner thigh. First with the foot flexed, slow. This exercise for your inner thigh.
And extend your lower leg. If you want to hold your hand up with your elbow on the floor, 2, or extend your arm out, 3, whichever way is more comfortable, 4, bring your knee in, 5, keeping it off the floor, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And pulsing.
1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And now with the toe pointed.
1,
slow.
2, keep your legs straight, 3, and your toe pointed, 4. Try and bring your lower thigh 5, to your upper thigh, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And pulsing.
1, 2, bring your leg all the way up as far as you can,
5,
lift,
6, 7, 8.
2 more, 9, 10.
And flex again. Slow.
1, 2, 3, bring that leg up as far as you can, foot is
5,
flexed, isolate
6,
the inner thigh,
7.
and 8, 9, 10.
And now faster.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And now flex
1,
and point together. This makes the
2,
exercise more intense.
3, 4, lifting each time, 5, and flex, 6, and 7, up, 8, and flex, 9, and flex, 10, pull both legs back in,
We're coming back to the outer thigh. This time, point your feet and really isolate your muscle.
keep your hips stacked,
Pulse up 3 times.
and
Extend
1,
on 4.
2, 3, and squeeze down, 2, 2, 3, squeeze down, up, 3, squeeze down, and lift, up, and up, squeeze down, lift, and 6, up, 7, and 8, pulse up, 9, 1 more, and 10.
And now pulse into the chest 3 times. Extend on 4.
1, 2, 3, extend the leg with your toe pointed. Push out, and 3, extend the leg, and 4, squeeze the leg as you go out, 5, and extend, pull 6, pull 7, and 8, press out, and 9, extend the leg as far as you can, and 10, and out, and rest.
And stay on your back and stretch.
Pull your knee up into your chest and stretch the leg. Feel it through the hips and the glutes. And take that leg and cross it over your opposite knee, pulling in towards you. Should feel that whole leg stretch out. Release it.
Okay, now we do this whole sequence again, but this time on the other side.
9.
Remember those
10.
last two moves? Okay, now we're gonna combine them. Move your leg up, out, in
1.
and down.
I know you feel these. Okay, just one thing is bring your leg just a little bit further back as you go out. And a good way to tell exactly how far is it's not straight out from your hip or straight down. It's kind of in the middle.
5.
Good. And then when you extend your leg, then really
6.
squeeze your butt and the outer thigh as you go out.
7.
Feel that? And especially when you lift. And then same thing, keep your hips stacked. And then breathe out when you come down. Extend.
10.
This exercise for your inner thigh.
And extend your lower leg.
Keep the foot flexed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pulsing.
1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Slow again.
And 1,
This time with the foot
2.
pointed.
Keep your legs straight
3,
and your toe pointed.
4,
Try and bring your lower thigh to your
5,
upper thigh.
6,
And 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And pulsing.
1, 2. Bring your leg
3,
all the way up as far
4,
as you can. Lift.
5, 6, 7, 8,
2 more.
9, 10.
And flexed again.
1,
Slow.
2, 3. Bring that leg up as far as you
4,
can. Foot is
5,
flexed. Isolate
6,
the inner thigh.
7,
And 8, 9, 10.
And pulsing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now we
1,
flex and point the toe at the same time.
2 and flex. 3, 4, lifting each time. 5 and flex. 6 and 7. Up 8 and flex. 9 and flex. 10 and flex. Pull your knees in.
Okay, our last set of exercises.
1,
We're back on the outer thigh. And here we go.
2, and down. Pulse up and up and up. And 4. Squeeze down, up 5. Squeeze down, up 6. As you squeeze down, tighten the inner thighs. 7. And down, up 8. And down, up 9. And last one, up 10.
This time, pulse into the chest 3 times, extending
1.
on 4.
And extend the leg out, pointing your
2.
toe. Extend, and 3. All the way out, and 4. Pull 5. Lengthen the leg, pull 6. Pull 7. Extend, and 8. Extend, and 9. Extend, last one. And down. Come onto your back.
Okay, you did it. Now we're gonna stretch.
Pull the leg in that you've just exercised. Feel the stretch in the hip and the thighs. Now cross that leg over your opposite knee and pull in, gently feeling the outer part of your hip stretch. Release it and pull both knees into your chest.
Okay, this is our cool down part. We're going to stretch all the muscles that we've just worked on. Stay flat on your back. Bring your knees into your chest.
Extend one leg out straight, keeping the other knee into your chest, and hold the stretch.
And cross your knee over.
Feeling a stretch through your lower back and hip.
And the other knee into the chest.
And cross over, extending your arm out and stretching the lower back and hip. Take the same leg and pull in toward you, keeping your opposite leg bent, stretching the hamstring by flexing your foot. And repeat on the other side.
And now we sit up and straighten our leg to stretch the hamstring.
Sit back and straighten your legs and bring one knee over your other leg, looking over your opposite shoulder. Should feel a nice stretch through the back and your hip.
Other side.
Bring both legs in and come up onto your knees, taking one leg out in front. Remember to keep your knee directly over your ankle and press forward, releasing the hip flexor.
And the other side.
Remember not to bounce, just hold the stretch. Come back and stand up.
And breathe in.
And exhale. And again, breathe in and exhale out. And breathe in and out. One more time, all the way up and out.
I hope you had a great workout. I did.